Viva Mexico, people. So good, so fresh. You have to make this at home and let me know how it turns out. It is so good. Hi, I'm Christina Vonti Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm gonna show you how I make authentic Mexican salsa. I have a lot of friends who live in Mexico, and this is the way they do it. Very simple. Think about 1 tomato per person. So if you wanna make enough salsa to serve 4 people, use 4 tomatoes. I use the juice of 1 lime, half of a bunch of fresh cilantro. I use 1 jalapeno and 1 Serrano chili. It's also called chili de arbol. And then 1/4 of a white onion. You could also do 1/4 of a red onion. Okay, here we go. Depending on how spicy you like your salsa, you're either gonna use a jalapeno pepper or a chili de arbol. It's also known as a Serrano chili, but here in Mexico, they call it chili de arbol. And I'm saying here in Mexico because we are at my house in Mexico right now. Anyways, I'm gonna use the Serrano, and here we go. Just quickly do a chop. Wear gloves, it will burn your hands. So important when you're adding this to your salsa or any dish, you should always add a little bit at a time and keep tasting it till you reach your desired level of spice. Okay, here's my secret. I like to cut just along here, and then you're just gonna give it just a micro dice. So this is how I like to do it. I like to quarter it. Then I take this center part out. So you just want to get that middle core out. And then I just go this way and this way. The juice goes in this bowl. So once you get all the juice and the middle part of the meat out of the tomato, you just do small cuts. So important to cut this tomato this way because you have to get the pulp out, the middle part out, or your salsa is gonna be way too watery, runny, yucky. Fresh tomato, fresh onion, fresh cilantro, fresh chilies de arbol, also known as Serrano chilies because we like it spicy over here, and lime juice. And then I did a little bit of the juice from the tomatoes. And here you go, my homemade Salsa Mexicana, also known as Pico de Gallo. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. So simple, so easy, so fresh. You have to make this. It's so easy. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Have a healthy day.